Turn and tell him how you feel.
I'm completely in the dark about what it is you do all day.
I know we should do it for the kids, but I don't know where to start.
He told me it was either him or the cat.
I'm uncomfortable with the noises you make in the bedroom.
I can't even tell if you're turned on.
Is it PCO or PICO? Do I need 5-stage filtration or nanofiltration? Is it HEPA-like, HEPA-type, or 99% HEPA? And what the hell is an electrostatic precipitator? Did you see what I mean?
Wow. A lot of us are in unhealthy relationships with our air purifiers,
You haven't changed in 20 years.
Look at you.
but all that changes right now.
Wait,
Say hello to Mila, the smartest, most thoughtful air purifier ever made.
Wait, who are you talking to?
Don't worry about it. Nothing is as essential as the air we breathe, yet you probably know more about your morning bagel than your home air quality. Pollution, pollen, mold, allergens, VOCs, don't get me started on Chairman Meow. At Mila, our goal is simple. We want to make the absolute best air purifier on the market. That means top-notch performance, design, and technology, all at a price every family can afford.
So I can keep Chairman Meow?
Exactly, so you can keep Chairman Meow. Mila was built by 3 dads who wanted clean air for their kids, but saw major flaws in the air purifiers that dominated the market. So they did what nobody else thought to do: fix the problems. The biggest issue with air purifiers is that you don't know if they're actually doing anything. There's no proof you can see.
Are you sucking or are you blowing?
They're like vitamins and quinoa. Mila is different.
how?
You can check your air quality anytime you want just by looking at her display or on the Mila app.
That's perfect.
Simply adjust the fan speed to your desired air quality, and Mila shows you the estimated time to achieve it. It's as intuitive as setting your thermostat. And that's not the only issue with air purifiers. They're noisy, and you need a PhD to figure out what size to buy.
It's all so confusing.
Mila is smart enough not to disturb you. She knows to quiet down when you're in the room, and when you leave, she gives the place a deep clean when nobody's listening. How does she know? She has a Doppler radar. Yeah, it's a thing.
Will it bring Bruce back? He stopped answering my calls.
Mila eliminates the need to worry about whether you have the right size purifier for every room. She learns the size of each space to give you the same level of performance whether she's placed in a 150 square foot nursery or a 400 square foot family room. She lets you know the status of every room, and if the outside air quality drops, Mila has you covered. Does your home have a humidity problem? Mila will keep an eye on it and even warn you if you're at risk of mold. She even tracks your air quality while you sleep and knows to keep it quiet while you snooze. And what's powering all of this? Mila is built on an aerospace-grade control system that's light years ahead of the market. What does that mean? Ask Kevin. He's an actual rocket scientist. So smart. She even includes a life-saving carbon monoxide sensor to protect against accidental CO poisoning from malfunctioning furnaces and space heaters in the winter.
I like that.
And what do other purifiers have? 3 fan speeds and a button called auto.
Did you hear that?
Does anyone know what that means? But what good is a big brain without the performance to back it up? Mila gives you twice the performance of her competition at half the price and at half the size. Most purifiers typically sell one filter that tries to do a little bit of everything. The result is a purifier that's not good at anything. Mila is the first air purifier to offer 5 custom filters designed for your specific needs. Battling allergies, pet odors, urban smog, or home renovation dust and chemicals, Mila's got a filter that's just right for you.
Oh.
Let's put some love in the air. Do it for the kids. Do it for yourself. Do it for Chairman Meow.
Hi.
That's enough. It's an air purifier.